Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. iOS 17 has been announced, and quite honestly, everything new in iOS could probably be summed up in a single tweet. Not really exciting. I mean, interesting, certainly, but nothing groundbreaking. Live tiles? No, that was what Windows did. Better autocorrect? Oh no, that's what Google did. And I'm glad that all these features are being baked into iOS. It's just that software announcements across the board have kind of become ho-hum, and I get more excited with software updates than I do hardware updates. I don't see any reason to believe that iOS is going to be better for me with a new iPhone or the existing iPhone series. Absolutely no reason. There's no indication that it will have improved the slop and the chop and the judderiness with scrolling and the other UX catastrophes that have been well documented. I'm sure there are a billion videos already published to YouTube showing you exactly what's been changed with iOS. It's iterative, right? Just the small adjustments that they're making, small improvements, potential improvements, whether or not you see them. But I don't know. I'm not gonna say I'm definitely not overwhelmed. Not exactly underwhelmed. I'm just whelmed.